In you'll find a collection of my flows of milk and honey bars. I do a oat milk, coconut milk, and almond milk with wildflower honey. And since the beginning, I've been doing that for like 2 years. And since the beginning, I've always used a bee farm honey. Never the store bought honey. And any of the ingredients that I put in my soap that are skin loving ingredients, you know, our skin love it, but I researched it and I found that the honey in the stores is trash. It's not real honey. And when I bought my first jar of wildflower honey from a bee farm, I believe it was in Minnesota, the taste is like night and day. That honey in the store is trash, y'all. I'm telling you, no matter how much the honey costs, they put a high price and a pretty label on a honey to make you think that it's better honey. No. And so since then, since like two and a half years ago, I've been making, which is my signature bars, are my oat milk and wildflower honey bars. I've been buying honey from farms. The other one I bought was from a farm in Florida, bee farm in Florida. And I decided to support this family called Zach and Zoe. Is Zoe Z-O-E? That's Zoe, right? Z-O-E? Because that's how they spell it, Z-O-E. Is that Zoe? I'm sorry, Zach and Zoe. But we have is what is it? Z-A-C-H and Z-O-E. So Zach and Zoe or Zach and Zoe. Their farm is called Sweet Bee Farm, and they have a market in New York. You can find them at hello at zachandzoe.com, and their Instagram is at Zach and Zoe Honey, where you can find them and learn about their story. So it's a mother and father and a son and daughter, and they're so cute. They're so cute, and I wanted to support. Oh my gosh, look at this honey. I wanted to support black owned. This is a black owned bee farm. I chose to get their raw wildflower honey with ginger root. So I am extremely excited to add this to my soap bars.
you.